Manipur celebrated its 52nd Statehood Day at the 1st Battalion Manipur Rifles Parade Ground today, with Chief Minister N. Biren Singh gracing the function as chief guest. The main highlight of the celebration was taking of the General's salute and inspection of parade by the Chief Minister. March parts by many contingents and performance by combined band platoons form an attention-grabbing part of the celebration. The celebration was also attended by ministers, MLAs, Chief Secretary General, Director General of Police and senior civil and police officials, among others. Greeting the people of the state on the occasion, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh recalled the history of Manipur and stressed that people should remember every memorable historical event. He mentioned Chahi Tariat Khuntakpa, the hardship faced by the people during the period and the contributions of the brave forefathers to liberate Manipur from the Burmese. All of us should honor the selfless and heroic contribution of the forefathers and the great leaders, he said. The Chief Minister further recalled the period of British colonialism and the sacrifices made by the brave sons of Manipur who fought to defend the sovereignty of the motherland. We are sons and daughters of those brave forefathers who possess the quality of conviction, commitment and sacrifice, he said. Adding everyone should live with dignity and help the needy and render their service for the development of the state. He appreciated Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other central leaders for their concern and efforts to save the identity and culture of Manipur and bring development in the state. He also maintained that the law and order situation of the state has improved considerably. Many members of UG groups have been brought to the mainstream through dialogues and interaction under the initiative of the central and state governments, he added. Appreciating and lauding the contributions of the people working in different sectors for development of the state, he stated that many of the people of Manipur are representing the country in almost all the sectors, including defense, information, technology, sports and education, among others, he added.
Happening today in Manipur is very unfortunate, and our primary duty being a security force is to prevent and to protect the life and the property of the people of the state and to protect the state integrity as well as the national integrity. So all the security forces, it is my humble appeal to all of them to concentrate seriously on these particular issues to prevent and protect the life of the innocent peoples, property of the innocent peoples, and to keep intact the nation territorial integrity and the state territorial integrity.